Hi there, this is Penelope, and this is a short video in the series of videos on mechanics. And these videos are written for the Foundation Level 4 course at Welltec. Right, we've got the situation here where we've got a motorcyclist riding in the rain. He's riding horizontally at 50 kilometers an hour. And the rain's coming down at 15 kilometers per hour. And what we've got then, these two velocities are both given relative to the ground. Yet, obviously, if we're on a motorbike or even a push bike, experience tells us that relative to us on the bike, the rain would appear to be coming more towards our face than straight down. So we need to find the velocity of the rain relative to the motorcyclist. So we do this by subtracting the motorcyclist's velocity from the velocity of the rain. So let's draw a diagram so that we've got, there's our 50 kilometers an hour. There's our, now it's coming down, but we're just going to make it go the other way so that we can add it rather than subtract the negative. So this is 15 kilometers an hour. And then we've got a resultant, which is the velocity of the rain relative to the cyclist. To find the actual magnitude of the rain, we need to use Pythagoras. So V is equal to the square root of 15 squared plus 50 squared. So if we're going to approximate that to two significant figures, that would be 52. And we need to find the angle, and to do that, let's call the angle there theta. To find theta, we would use tan, because that's the information that we've got. We've got the opposite, which is 15. And we know that tan is the opposite over the adjacent, so it's 15 over 50, which is 0.3. And if we use our calculators, we can find that theta is equal to approximately 17 degrees. Again, two significant figures. What we've got then is that the resultant of those two vectors is the velocity of the rain relative to the motorcyclist, and it's 52 kilometers per hour at an angle of 17 degrees to the horizontal. So what we're seeing is that the rain is hitting the cyclist or the motorcyclist's face at 52 kilometers per hour, which is the reality. You know that that is true.